Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a virtual classroom with Blackboard, full guide step by step clearly. To build a virtual classroom with Blackboard, begin by logging into your Blackboard account. Navigate to the courses section on the main dashboard. Select Create Course to initiate a new virtual classroom. Fill in the necessary details such as course name, course ID, and description. Choose the course duration and set the start and end dates. Select the course format that best fits your needs, such as blended or fully online. Next, configure the settings related to availability, ensuring the course is visible to students. Once the course is created, enter your course space by clicking on the course title. On the course homepage, familiarize yourself with the menu options on the left side. To add content, click on Content Areas and select Build Content. From the options, choose to add items such as lectures, reading materials, or interactive elements. Upload any documents or media by clicking the Create or Upload buttons provided. For engaging discussions, navigate to Discussion Boards and create a new forum. Set the parameters for the discussion, including availability and grading options. To facilitate live sessions, integrate Collaborate Ultra by selecting it from the tool panel. Schedule your session by providing a date and time, along with any specific settings. Ensure to test the technology before the live session to avoid issues. Incorporate assessments by going to the Assessments section and selecting Test. Create quizzes or exams by following the prompts and specifying grading criteria. Encourage student interaction by using the Groups feature to foster collaboration. Text communication can be set up using the Announcements tool to keep students informed. Review the course content regularly to maintain engagement and relevance. Finally, publish the course and notify your students of its availability. Regularly monitor and update the course as needed to enhance the virtual learning experience. Your virtual classroom is now set up and ready for your students. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.